If you're a wedding photographer that wants to be flown out to speak on stages at events, or you just want to add an educational element to your business, I have something pretty unique for you. In fact, I think this is the first of its kind and it's never been done before. We're even going to talk about how much I make as a speaker as well as an educator and how you can do the same. This includes scripts and email templates that I actually use. Now, here's the fun part. I am very introverted as a person, and you might see how being on a stage in front of 600 people or on a screen to 600,000 subscribers kind of contradicts my introverted nature. And the good news is I have some tips and strategies that have overcome this. By the way, if this is your first time seeing me, I am Taylor Jackson. I have photographed over 1,000 weddings in my career, and you can even get an audiobook about it if you'd like. I started speaking at events in 2011, and this is what I look like. And to be honest, it was really scary, and I didn't think I wanted to do it again after that. But shortly after, something interesting happened that changed my life forever, but we're gonna get to that in a moment. So, why should you speak on stage and teach on the internet? Number one, professional credibility and authority. Not only is it adding a new stream of income to your business, but it is also going to increase new inquiries and bookings for your main business as well. Number two, networking. If you want to start doing brand deals or become an ambassador for your favorite camera company, this is where you start. And number three, maybe the most important, you make a legitimate difference in people's lives. It's honestly a really rewarding feeling when a stranger comes up and asks for a photo and then tells you about how a talk that you gave or a video that they watched helped them make an extra $100,000 in their business that year. And that money has made a better life for themselves and their families. And they now have a business that allows the freedom and flexibility to work when they want and have both the time and money to travel when and where they want. A big focus of me getting into this industry was because I wanted paid opportunities to travel, and those opportunities specifically in the winter. I live in Canada and it gets really cold here. We made the conscious choice a few years ago to stop taking weddings in the winter and use those months to travel. Kind of the opposite of a teacher, that instead of getting July and August off, you're getting November to May, which is actually about half the year. And that's honestly a little unsustainable. But something interesting happens January until April. It's what's considered the wedding photography conference season, and there's probably about 50 events that run in that time window every single year. And they happen all over: Las Vegas, Texas, Florida, Canada, Italy, UK, Spain. So now that travel becomes paid work and it is sustainable. Not only are the events themselves paid, but you also meet a lot of other people from brands, and this is where most of my brand deals come from over the year. This means getting paid to do things like reels and videos and stories. If this sounds like something you'd like to know more about, you can get instant access to it all. All in, it's a little over 3 hours of videos. Section 1 is all about getting speaking gigs and teaching at conferences and workshops. We start off with how much you can expect to be paid, as well as other ways you can make money along the way. Then we get into online education and what I've done to build a 600,000 subscriber YouTube channel. This channel starts with how much I actually get paid, as well as maybe the most important thing, how I went from being very, very uncomfortable and terrible in front of a camera to someone that is actually half decent. There's a lot of tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to get here, and I share them all in this section. Then the third section gets into how to run your own workshops. Workshops are a great way to help people one-on-one and also generate even more revenue. Filling a 15-person workshop at $600 per person is $9,000 for the day. Do one of these per month and you'll be making an additional $100,000 extra per year. And the best part is you can even do this if you're not super well known yet. We talk about the ways that you have to modify a workshop if you're not well known. And the weird thing is you can actually charge more from them. This will make a lot more sense in the section. All of this knowledge comes from speaking around the world, as well as running our own workshops as small as 10 people, as large as 80 people in Hawaii or in the mountains of Canada. Plus, we'll even touch on running larger theater style events like we've done here with Canada Photo Summit. Also, if you get in now, there are some bonus videos, like how to get paid to create content for brands and how I get cameras and lenses before they're out to the public. So if those are dreams for you, I reveal the mystery. Now, there's a catch, but also some more bonuses. Let's talk about the bonuses first and then get to the catch. Bonus number one is a huge one. I am giving you my full preset collection. This is usually $89 on its own, but it is all yours included. Next, I'm going to give you my yearly flagship course, Book More Weddings 2024. This has helped thousands of photographers make hundreds of thousands of dollars all around the world. And then the last crazy bonus, my 2024 hybrid wedding photography / video course. This is a full walkthrough, including editing and a full behind the scenes wedding day video about how I do both photography and video coverage as one person or as myself in a second. This method alone has added over $100,000 of yearly income to my business. Now, why am I including all these crazy bonuses? Well, I screwed up a bit. I had my camera set to bird autofocus mode for a few shots in the course. So there are times when the focus drifts for a few seconds. It comes back quickly, and it's honestly fine and doesn't impact any of the learning, but it does feel a little less than professional. I would usually re-record it, but I'm leaving for a trip to Japan after a busy wedding weekend, and I just don't have the time yet. So because of that error, you get to cash in on some very nice bonuses. Now, the catch. To get these bonuses, you have to get it in before July 14th, 2024. July 14th is also my birthday. Balloon. After that, I'm home from Japan where I will re-record the clips that are affected. But if you get in before my birthday, you get to keep all those bonuses. As always, there is a 100% money back guarantee. You sign up and it's not what you were expecting. Just send me an email within 30 days. My email is here on the screen and I'll send your money back. But wait, there's more. If you want even more bonuses for $50 more, I have some good news. You can sign up to the annual plan, which gives you access to the speaker and education course, as well as 45 other courses and downloads. Courses like my off-camera flash guide for wedding photographers, all of my email templates, photo checklists, welcome guides, and instant access to everything that I offer, which is on the screen. And it's honestly a very overwhelming amount that will take you a full year to get through it. This also comes with the same 30-day money back guarantee. Just send me an email if you've decided that it's not for you. Click on over to the link to learn more, and I will see you inside.